We took the all-new all-electric Toyota bZ4X on a summer adventure with 100% charge and 318 miles of electric range. We set off from Media City for our 81-mile road trip to the Lake District. On our journey, we kept the Toyota bZ4X in Eco mode and 1-pedal mode to maximize the range. Once we had arrived, 81 miles later, the bZ4X had only used 69 miles of EV range. The Toyota bZ4X still had 249 miles left of range, plenty to get home and more. After arriving in the Lake District, we decided to grab lunch and explore. Before returning to Media City, and after doing some local driving, we had 234 miles of battery charge remaining for our 81-mile journey back. During our journey back, we stopped for some coffee and cake at the services. This would have been an ideal place to charge if need be. We also discovered that if we turned off the fans for the AC system, we gained an extra 41 miles of range. After arriving back at Media City, we still had 165 miles remaining for our next adventure in the all-new all-electric Toyota bZ4X. If you would like to experience your very own summer adventure, book a 24-hour test drive at RRG Toyota today.